everyone. This is Deb Tim, a Canadian Girl, and this is my regular Little Fish Room update that I do every Tuesday. So please stay tuned and we'll have a look. Beginning with this aquarium, in here I have Kenyan yellow labs, and yesterday I stripped another yellow lab mom, and there are her babies there. She was holding for a couple of weeks, and I kind of put off stripping her, so I did today, and they're doing really good. She had actually quite a few, probably 20. So in this little aquarium, it's a 10-gallon, and there are over 100 babies in this little tiny aquarium. And this is my 40-gallon tall Angel's breeder, and these two have bred once again, but they ate their eggs. So we are going to try number 3. Maybe we will be successful. In here I have Kenya yellow labs and dragon bloods. They are doing fabulous, and they are soon in need of a larger aquarium. And in here I also have yellow labs. I have some OB cross. I don't know if you can see some blotchy ones. And I have some red by red albino zebras. And there's actually a couple dragon bloods in here as well. But they are doing really good. The little yellow labs are so dark. They're really pretty in this little aquarium. In here are my Kenai and yellow lab fry, and then my little yellow belly Alberts. And they are all really doing well. I have to apologize. I have not done my water changes in this room yet. So this is probably the dirtiest my tanks have ever been on video. These guys are just doing great too. The small ones, where are they? They're still really tiny. See all the dirt on the sand? Oh my, that's very dirty. But anyway, those little ones are my super red empress. And then I have some red top zebras in there, some Kenai, some yellow labs, and they're all doing really good. There's about a week difference from the smallest to the largest, but they're doing really well. Now this is something new. Look at my babies. Those are black mollies. My Molly had her babies today. I had her in a mesh playpen in the aquarium, and she had 4 babies, and the other fish came and sucked them through the mesh. So I moved her into a separate little container, and I set the playpen in it because it had a second level where the babies could go for safety. And she had all these babies, and then I put her back in her aquarium, and I just put them in this cube because they are in brackish water. Now I will switch them to fresh water very slowly, but they're doing really good, and I'm so pleased. These guys are doing fabulous. They're electric blue, dragon blood, and yellow labs. And actually, I stripped 2 of these yellow labs today. They're very small for breeding, but I guess not. They're about 2 inches, and they're doing great. So this is my 20-gallon grow out with my electric blue Friar Eye hybrids. Now some of them are pure, you can tell which ones, and then some of them are hybrids, but they're really doing well. And then in this little tumbler are the new yellow lab babies that I stripped from my 30-gallon grow out. And actually the one mom, hers have already had their heads and tails popped when I stripped her. And there are approximately 16 in there, so I think they're about 8 each. And down here is my one and only beta. It's a female, her name is Pixie, and she's doing really good between my money trees. So that wraps up my little fish room tour for this week. Until next time, this is Deb Tim signing out. I hope you've had a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.